Hi, I'm Simon from ViolinSchool and I've come here to central London to introduce you to our all-new ViolinHub, a community and centre of learning for the violin, which is going to be hosted here in central London by ViolinSchool every Saturday during term time. And right behind me here is our new venue, the Pimlico Academy. It's a really big venue with lots of great facilities, and we're very excited about that because it means we can expand what we do here in London in all sorts of interesting new directions. So why don't you come inside with me, we'll take a look and I'll give you a taste of what you can expect when you come to ViolinHub. When you enter the Academy through the main doors, you check in at the ViolinHub welcome desk and then go down to the atrium, which will be the new heart of the ViolinSchool community every Saturday. This is the place to meet friends, eat and drink, talk about music and the violin, and make new connections that will be central to your music making in the future. For sunny days, there's plenty of outdoor space where children can play or where you can just find a quiet corner to think, reflect, or even do some violin practice. When you need a break from the music, Pimlico Library, which shares the same building and is accessible from a different entrance just down the road, is open to the public all day on a Saturday. The foundation of ViolinHub will be our progressive sequence of violin courses, taking both adults, children and their parents from first-time beginner up to intermediate level. In the future, we plan to introduce courses, workshops and events for advanced players and teacher training too. Courses take place in the main studios where there's plenty of natural light and loads of space to move about. The shape and fit out of the studios is perfect for practicing performance skills, a really important pillar of our tuition at ViolinSchool, and the built-in PA systems make it possible to use backing tracks in classes. We'll also have a high-quality digital keyboard available when needed. One of the most exciting aspects of the new venue is the potential to expand to different rooms as the school grows. The facility has literally hundreds of classrooms, and as the demand for rehearsal space and ensemble music rooms increases, we'll have the option to expand ViolinHub to some of the spaces on the upper floors. Our vision is that as an enrolled learner or as a visiting ViolinSchool member, you'll have access to the facilities you need to learn, play, practice and rehearse. And as our community grows, we'll introduce a range of guest workshops and events to help you explore all styles and genres of violin playing. Violas and cellos are welcome to join in with Ensemble Sessions at the new ViolinHub. So tell us about what you and your friends would most like to play and we'll make it happen. Finally, a season at ViolinSchool just isn't the same without the Violin Orchestra. So in the future, we'll integrate some of the orchestra rehearsals into the new ViolinHub by making use of the superb auditorium. This space can also serve as a new venue for our informal solo concerts so that all ViolinSchool learners have plenty of opportunities to develop their performance skills in a friendly, supportive environment. So, I hope you're excited about the new ViolinHub. We certainly can't wait to get going with the new programme. Come along and visit us. We'll be here every Saturday. Drop us an email before you visit, support@violinschool.com, or just give us a call. And if you're not already connected with ViolinSchool, then let us know your email address and we can keep you updated with news of all the upcoming events that we'll be running here in London. If you're not connected with us already on YouTube, then do head over to youtube.com/ViolinSchool, because this year we're going to be sharing a lot more information through video. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the notifications button, and we will keep you updated. Thanks so much for watching. Really looking forward to welcoming you here soon. See you again. Thank you.